Welcome to ESpeakingEasy.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing great.
Did you complete the homework?
Yes, I completed it yesterday.
Can I see your notebook?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like English. What about you?
I like science.
That's interesting.
Are you ready for today's test?
Yes, I studied very hard.
Let's sit together during lunch.
That's a great idea.
Do you want to play after school?
Yes, let's play football.
What time does school end?
It ends at 3:30 p.m.
Don't forget to bring your project tomorrow.
Thanks for reminding me.
The teacher explained the lesson well.
Yes, I understood everything.
Can we study together this evening?
Of course.
You are a good friend.
Thank you. You are too.
Let's go to the library.
Okay, let's go.
I need a new pencil.
You can borrow mine.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.